Nice neckline. No. This is nice beard. No. Much better. Yeah, that's what I like. Welcome back, guys. It was long since I posted the last video. I came back to Slovenia end of August. I have some good news, and I'm also here in the forest because of I'm actually on the mushroom hunt. So are there mushrooms here in Slovenia? Trusty dog is with me. So just came to our regular spot where it's a lot of mushrooms usually, and look what I found. It's a bunch of chanterelles. It's just amazing. You can see, really soft. It's like cloud. Oh, finally found first porcini mushroom. It's a really nice specimen. And this is the red mushroom, the Amanita muscaria, but it's really so small still. And this is a growing cycle of Amanita muscaria, also known as a fly agaric mushroom. This is very young. Then you have this one developing already, and this is when it's Amanita muscaria or fly agaric. It is a very known mushroom in Eastern and Central Europe. It was very known to the shamanic cultures of pagan Slavs. It has many healing properties for healing cancer, and they still make tea or chai out of it, or you can ferment it without air and use drops. So yeah, this is some information that most of scientists do not want to share. We have some mushrooms, not bad. Going back now. It was a nice walk. Have something, at least. Have some mushrooms, not bad. So I made pasta with mushrooms. As you can see, it's really delicious. So yeah, mushrooms are also in Slovenia. For good news, unfortunately I cannot talk about it yet, but I have new project and I will talk about soon. The sunset, it's amazing. Oh, yeah. Oh, just look at that. Looks amazing.